Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase Zelle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a Chase Zelle recurring payment? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a Chase Zelle recurring payment anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some contractors require that you pay them through Zelle. And if it's going to be a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, it's easier to set up a recurring payment so you don't have to organize it every single 2 weeks or a month. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring Chase Zelle payment, here on the top blue menu, you're going to click on Pay and Transfer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for the Zelle box, and you're going to click on Send Money. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll through and look for the person you're setting the recurring payment up for. So for example, this one, and then off to the right, you're going to see this blue pay button. Go ahead and click on there. If you can't find the person, you can click right here, add a new recipient, and add them as a new Zelle recipient. After that, they're going to show up in this list here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this person. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about that person and your history with them in Zelle. But you want to look for this line right here, repeating payment. You can see it's gray and off. Check that box. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and choose the amount that you're setting the recurring payment up for. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to add $5. Right after you do that, here on the right side, you're going to choose your account. I'm going to use my checking account. Here you can go ahead and add a memo. So you can put in there monthly payment. You can also put a reference to whatever it is you're buying. So maybe a car or something like that. You can put that there. It's optional. And next down here, this is important. What's the frequency? So let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here you can go ahead and choose their frequency. So it could be monthly. It could be twice per month, every 2 weeks. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose monthly. Okay, once you've chosen, you want to set this up, notify on. So basically, they're going to notify the sender that they're going to be receiving money. Here is the first notification. So this is the first payment that's going to be sent out. So let me go ahead and change. Okay, I changed it to the 3rd. So on the 3rd, they're going to receive a notification, but then also the payment's going to be sent out on the 3rd. Here you can go ahead and set the maximum amount of payments. So if you have some sort of an installment that you have to pay them 10 different times, you can set that up here. I'm going to leave it at no ending date. So it's going to continue on until I come back in here and cancel. And once you set that up, go ahead and click on this blue next button. Okay, next you want to go ahead and review this. So the amount, the frequency is monthly. They're going to get a notification on the 3rd of each month. And the first notification will be on September 3rd, which is about 2 weeks from now. And there's no ending date. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this blue send money button. Okay, next you should see this confirmation. So it lets you know that they're going to receive this amount on this date, continuing as a recurring payment starting on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring Zelle payment with your Chase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.